El Salvadorian Chicken. A main dish from El Salvador. Serves 4. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Season chicken with salt and lemon juice. Step 2. In a bowl put salt, oregano, achiote, vinegar, cumin and garlic, mix well. Add chicken and marinate for 2 hours. Drain and fry chicken in skillet until browned. Step 3. In a heavy saucepan, place the browned chicken, half of the onions and half tomatoes, another layer of chicken, onions and tomatoes. Step 4. Sprinkle with salt and pepper and cover the saucepan and simmer for 1 hour or until tender. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.